Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.